Let's make tomato cheese omelette. Add a pinch of salt and hutsukaru. Get ready for your tomato. It's clean and nice.
I think this knife is very dull.
Tomatoes are ready. Turn on the gas range. You should drop some water to see if the fan is ready. If water clumps into water droplets and slide across the surface, it's ready. Put some oil. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. The pan is ready, so
I think tomatoes are ready because it's like mushy. Egg.
put some cheese on. I used pepper jack, but you can do whatever cheese you like.
Cheddar cheese. Mozzarella. Be sure to put the heat level lowest as you can. Oh wow. Try to flip this in half.
Aren't these look delicious?
These are ready to eat.
It is kind of ugly, but what you see is not everything.